What's up guys, back to our channel How to Guide. Today, this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Slack Connect. So, what is Slack Connect? So, it's basically a platform where you can collaborate with external organizations secretly within Slack. So, it will be benefit for you. So, there's no any like inbuilt option, but what you can do is this is your workers, okay, guys? So just add co-workers, like send them invitations. Like let me just send to one of my friends like this. You can and then send. Then an invitation will be sent. So that's how you can use Slack Connect and have them invite them and do some business with them, collaborate with them, with their organizations, work with them. So that's all about Slack Connect, guys. So this is pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. See you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.